Heavy gauge steel construction provides even heating. Premium non-stick interior and exterior for easy release and cleanup. Professional design, thick rolled edges prevent warping. Pans are dishwasher safe for the ultimate cleaning convenience. Lifetime. Bake delicious muffins, tarts, pies or mini pizzas in fun shapes and adorable sizes with these new mini bakeware specialty pieces. Everybody loves a tiny treat. Features: non-stick vertical bar dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Nice little pans. I bought these loaf pans to make smaller sweetbreads and meatloaves. I find that I cook in smaller portion sizes now and I can easily freeze for future use. So far, I have made recipes of blueberry breads, meatloaves and cinnamon breads. All fit nicely in the pans, came out easily and washed well. If anything, I would like to find some slightly larger. That said, they worked very well. Each pan produced 2 healthy servings of each item. I would highly recommend.